Hey YouTube, what's going on? You are tuned into the Straight SRT8 YouTube channel where we discuss all things SRT8 related. Behind me I have my 2017 Jeep SRT8 with the SRT badge. In today's video we're going to discuss how to install this badge down here, the Illuminated SRT badge from Lighting Trends. So real quick, the Lighting Trends badge I purchased came in about a year and a half ago for Lighting Trends. And I have it right here in front of me on my tablet. The total price was $152.10, and that is $169 for the badge itself. We had a discount of saving $16.90. It was called Save 10, and then we had free shipping. So total again was $152.10, and this is the Illuminated Mopar logo white SRT badge. Now they do have different options for us. They have a multi-color badge, and one that has a remote to change colors. I opted to go with the white one in order to match the white LEDs that are already in the headlights. So let's go ahead and do this video and show you how to route these wires, how to install them, and how to tap into your fuse box in order to keep everything safe and easy. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is find what fuse you're going to tap into. So here is the fuse box, and as you can see I've already tapped into a couple of different fuses in here. But for this one, you want to tap into this fuse right here. This is F93. I'll give it a better angle. So from this relay, you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots over. So go up here in your panel. From your relay, you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots over, which is F93. And we go over here, and F93 is your cigarette lighter, or your cigar lighter. 20 amp fuse. So on this fuse splitter, I have a 20 amp in yellow on the bottom and a 5 amp in this brownish color up top. So the 20 amp is going to allow this main fuse to keep its 20 amp fuse, and then this splice right here uses a 5 amp. I prefer a 1 amp fuse, but I didn't have one at the time, so I used a 5 amp fuse. From here, this cable is going to trace over and go back down to the car. Your negative terminal is going to go right here. So I remove this cap. Right here is your negative terminal. Next thing you want to do is run this black-white wire or black-red wire down through the car. I ran mine down through here and all the way down to the bottom. So let me grab my flashlight and show where that goes. Alright, so if you follow this wire all the way down to the very bottom of the car, you can see it way down there. In order to reach that wire, I recommend using an extension like this. You can grab this from Auto Parts, Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone or anything like that. Squeeze a plunger. It has a gripping mechanism for you. So this one will come down right through here. So from the front of the car, the wires come down right to here. So you can probably see in there. Grab my flashlight. And you can't quite see them through here, but they are right behind this this plate. And then if we come through the side, this snaps off. It's on 4 plastic hinges, and then the wire comes through here all the way to right here. Now there are 2 nuts on the back, and this does slide back and forth left and right. There are 2 nuts back there. You can screw down and tighten it and keep it in place. It is waterproof. So then you go again, just wrap that wire back through here, up the top, right through here, into your fuse box. Remember, splice it, negative terminal right here, and your positive right here, go into F93, which is your cigarette lighter. What that's going to do is when you remote start the car, your badge will stay non-illuminated, so the way it is right now. It'll only turn on when your accessory position is turned on for the key switch. So when you get in the car, you use a push to start button without your foot on the brake. You push it once, go into accessory, and that's going to illuminate this badge right here. I'll go ahead and do that for you and show you how it turns on. Okay, so we're going to not push down the brake. Push the button, accessory. Let's go out of the car and verify that the light is on. And here we are you have your Illuminated SRT badge. Installation is pretty easy. The hardest part is reaching your hand from this opening way over to here. So a lot of guys install it right here instead. However, I had my brother install this one because he has smaller arms than I do. You could get it way out of the far corner, which is where I think it looks the best. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. All I use is 2 bolts. Again, the wire is pretty easy. Going ahead to this fuse box. Remember, go to F93, which is your cigarette lighter. Alright YouTube, so that is it for this video. It's a quick overview on how to install that Illuminated SRT badge. Give you guys a website, total cost, free shipping, give you a discount code. Showed you how to wire this guy up. It's pretty easy. Go into the fuse box. It's pretty straightforward. If you guys have any suggestions for improvements on videos in order to clarify some accuracy, or if you have ideas for new videos, questions for me, advice you want to give me, tips I can give you to help you install everything, please drop some comments in my videos below. Anything you can help, anything you can do will help out. My goal here is to make a one-stop DIY space, let you guys learn what I'm learning, and avoid having to do the research I had to do in order to figure these things out. So hopefully it'll be very clear, concise instructions on how to do certain mods to your car, like this SRT badge. Again, if you got any questions for me, please drop those comments.